Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the light duration on your Casio G-Shock GA-2100. So to switch between LT1 and LT3. So we are going to need to go to the light settings. So what you need to do is to press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep. The first thing that you can set is the home city. So we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between different options. So we are going to go past the time setting. We are going to go past the date setting. Here you have the sound to be on and off, and we are going to go past that. And here we have the light. So we have 3 right here. So this means that the light is on for 3 seconds. If I press the start button, it will go to 1. So now I know that the light duration is 1.5 seconds. So you can switch between 1.5 and 3 seconds. I'm going to leave it at 3 seconds. And when you have done so, make sure to press the adjust button and you are done. If you press the light button, you are going to see that it is going to stay on for 3 seconds. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a bunch of videos regarding this exact model, so make sure to check them out. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.